This is the video to learn how to change weather location in Windows 11. Open the weather application, click on start and search weather. Now to set and change location in this left side panel, click on settings. Click on this settings, scroll down and in default location, select it and select or search any particular city like Toronto. Select it, search. Once you see that name, click on home button. Also you can select always detect my location. So if you change the city, automatically location will be changed. So both options you can try. So dynamic location or any default set location. In this setting you can change. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.